Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to clear your history in any web browser. And then I'll show you the quick method on how to do that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your Chrome web browsers and then click. And then once you open up, and then click the three dotted icon on the top right corner here. Then you need to click, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need now to select this settings gear button here and then click. And then once you open up, and then here at left side navigation panel, and then you need now to select this privacy and security and then click. And then on right side, and then you need to scroll down underneath here at privacy and security. Then you can see this delete browsing data. So all you have to do is to click again. And then here at delete browsing data, so we have two option here like basic and then advanced. So all you have to do is to select this advanced. And then here at advanced, so you can see this time range. So all you have to do is to click this arrow. Then we need to select either last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all the time. So all you have to do is to click this all the time. And then you need to check this box browsing history, download history, and then check also cookies and other site data, and then check this box, and cache images and files, and then you need to check this box. And then on right side, you can see this delete data and then click, and then we will wait. All right, so you can see now that it's already delete this browsing data. All right, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.